look! Tiny lanterns are flying in the garden. Oh, fireflies! We glow using something called bioluminescence. What? It means making our own light inside our bodies. Hey, look! Inside us, a tiny chemical reaction mixes oxygen with special glow juice. And ta-da! We light up the night. Hey, look! Wow! But why do you glow? We're sending secret messages to other fireflies. It's like saying, hey, I'm over here. Hey, look! So fireflies are tiny glowing messengers. Yep, nature's little nighttime lanterns.